Let me show you easily the best cheap gel blasters that I have ever seen, and this is what it looks like, and it came in a box like this. Also with this gel blaster basically you get additional accessories such as extended magazine, so this actually goes over here. For example, as you see, I can slide it over like this, and I can fill this basically with the balls, and this holds like probably like 500 balls, maybe a bit more. And then also in the box we get these darts as well, so this gun can also shoot Nerf gun darts as well, I guess. And also the shooting power is actually very good on these. And also we get 2 packs of these beads basically, so 500 each, and you basically have to drop these in water for some time and they'll basically swell, and you will have very cheap bullets for these. And on this unit itself we can also store the balls inside, so I have already tried this for some time. As you see, I can pretty much fill this area with the balls, and this is what the balls look like. So let me get out everything that I have over here. So it holds maybe this amount internally in this chute, maybe a bit more. I reckon maybe like 100 balls, maybe like 80, something like that. So definitely we have actually decent space inside where to store our balls. And yeah, it looks like this. So basically the balls simply fall down as you empty your magazine basically. So yeah, it's actually a very good system. And yeah, the overall size obviously with this attachment is bulkier, but obviously you get like crazy good amount of ammo storage. And the best part about this unit actually is the price of it. So you can see on AliExpress, if you go on AliExpress, it costs like $6 or $5 depending on the offers that maybe they have. So again, I will actually leave a link where I got this exact. It comes with full kit and everything you need to basically get started again. Absolute crazy price for what we actually get. So to use this, we simply have to pull this back and it's pretty much loaded, and we can start shooting. So yeah, it's fully manual, but also that is a good thing. So we do not have any batteries. And again, cheap electric guns. I think the cheapest electric gun is like $20 or even a bit more. So this is definitely very cheaper. And also the fire rate also is, as you can see, you can actually get like a really good fire rate from this thing as well. And again, you do not have to charge anything, and yeah, it's actually reliable as well. And also I actually really like the power from this gun as well. So it definitely packs a very good punch. And again, loading also it is very easy actually. And again, yeah, it actually like completely destroys everything. Of course, maybe there are some more like expensive guns that can get even more power, but at this price up to like $30, I think this really is, yeah, up there. Also on this, I actually really like the build quality. So you can see the plastic is actually like very durable. So it's not like it's cheaply made. So the thickness also is very good on this plastic. So this will easily last you like a few years. I do not really have any like quality concerns whatsoever about the gun. So again, the plastics are very sturdy. So on some very cheap stuff, usually the plastics are like kind of brittle sometimes, and they're like flimsy, but not this one. So as you see, it's actually like properly sturdy. So yeah, actually kind of impressed with the build quality as well. And also obviously on this unit as well, we can shoot these Nerf gun darts as well. So, and they also like pack quite a punch basically when we shoot these things. So yeah, actually quite good. So we load it in like this, and off it goes. So again, very decent power. And these included darts also actually provide very good power as well. And overall, can actually recommend you this gel blaster? Well, absolutely, yep. I think this is like the best bang for the buck if you want a cheap gel blaster that actually doesn't suck. So we actually have very good build quality. the power is actually decent enough, and also it actually comes with everything that you need. So again, all the bolts that you need, the extended magazine, and again, when it comes to the price, I think it's absolute bargains. Again, I will actually leave a link in the description and comments where I actually got mine, so check it out. I think AliExpress is probably the cheapest place for these. Yeah, also it's really cool that we can actually shoot the Nerf darts as well, so the power we get when we actually shoot these darts also is very decent. And also maybe you can get like even like heavier these darts basically, then it will even have more power. And again, distance at what this can shoot also is actually like fairly decent. And again, we do not have to mess with recharging the batteries, and again, the fire rate also is very decent. So the mechanism actually is like really reliable all the time. So, and as you see, it really shoots almost just as fast as electric gun, but again, it's much cheaper, don't have to charge or keep the battery always charged, and yeah, absolutely great. Again, check the comments and description, I will actually leave a link to this one, and also a few different models that I actually know that are actually very good, that actually cost similar price, but maybe they have a bit different design. So again, overall, I think AliExpress is probably the cheapest place where you can get these. Also, these, for example, these bullets as well also is very cheap on AliExpress, so you can purchase like a huge pack of like 50,000 of them for like very cheap money. So again, it even comes with some when you actually purchase. Anyway, good luck.